GFCI tester detects the most common wiring problems in standard and GFCI receptacles. Works on GFCI outlets and confirms operation of the ground fault protective device. Built to withstand a 6.6-foot, 2 m drop. Operating temp. 32 degree to 140 degree Fahrenheit, 0 degree to 40 degree Celsius. Nominal voltage. 110/125 of a volt AC at 50/60 of a Hz in 3-wire outlet. Top reviews from the United States. Great for apartments, site wiring fault on APC products. I got this to find out why all my APC battery backups and power strips kept indicating that there was a site wiring fault. Living in an apartment, I of course asked the maintenance crew to come look at it, and they stated there wasn't an issue. Enter this device. I tested all my outlets, and they all showed an open ground. I shut the power off and pulled out the outlets, and all the grounding lines were connected. I again asked our maintenance crew to check the outlets. After showing them that there was an open ground, it was discovered that none of ground lines were actually connected through past the receptacle box. This little device saved me from a potential fire or electrical shock. For $9, it is a really handy tool to have, even if it's just to check your outlets to make sure they work.